Are you ready to dominate the Minecraft world with an epic rapid fire cannon? In just minutes, I'll show you how to build this powerful weapon that's easy to make and works in both survival and creative modes. Let's get started. First, you need these items: dispensers, water buckets, redstone repeaters, a comparator, and of course some TNT. Finally, load up your dispensers with TNT. Trick the lever, and watch the magic happen. Your rapid fire tin cannon is ready to dominate. That's it for this quick tutorial. If you enjoyed it, smash that like button and subscribe for more epic builds. See you in the next one. Happy crafting!